We're going to stick 2 in there. 2 plus 6 is 8. We have the point 2, 8 from our x and our y. And then we have 3. Stick 3 into this equation. 3 plus 6 is 9. We have 3, 9. And then stick 4 in there. We got 4 plus 6 is 10. And then we have 4, 10. Okay? I'm just going to go ahead and graph this line just for fun. This is the y-intercept. I wonder if any of you graphed it just for fun. Can you graph it? I don't know. We'll see. And then this is the slope. It's the number next to the x. There is no number, but that's okay. It's just a 1, and we have to make it a fraction, so it's 1 over 1, which is the change, the vertical change over the horizontal, a change in y over change in x. This is our slope. So I'm going to graph that. The y-intercept is where it intercepts the y-axis. It's at 6, so let's go up 6 on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then from there, I'm going to graph the slope, which is the vertical change over the horizontal change, which is up 1 over 1, 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 up 1 over 1. It's all these. Okay, there it is. And then we could do the opposite, down 1 over 1 this way, down 1 over 1 this way. And we're going to have this lovely, beautiful line that looks like this. Let me get it just right. And then, ta-da! Okay, there we go. And there is the line. Now let's go ahead and see if these are truly solutions on this line. The first one is 1, 7. So let's see here. The x is 1. So up 1 and then, over 1 and then up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And yes, there it is right there. That is 1, 7. It is a beautiful 1, 7. Okay, on to the next one. 2, 8. Is this a solution? Is this a point on this line? Let's see. So 2, 1, 2, and then up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it is. There it is right there. And then let's see the next one. 3, 9. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and then up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, there it is. Perfecto. That is our 3, 9. And then lastly, 4, 10. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it is. And so there you go. Perfect. All of these are solutions to this original equation, which looks like this, and that means they're all 4 points on the line. All right, let's see how you guys did on this next one. This is the different type of looking graph. But it's basically the same thing. It's just a different way of looking at it. So we're going to figure out what n is. And remember that m is the same thing as x. And n is the same thing as y. They're just kind of trying to confuse us a little bit. And this is x and this is y. Okay. So this axis is going to be the same thing as the m-axis. And this is going to be the same as the n-axis. Okay, so we're just going to stick these values into m and figure out what n is. Okay, so we're going, the m value is 1, so we're going 8 times 1, and then we're subtracting 2. 8 times 1 is 8, minus 2 is 6. So our point, mn, is 1, 6. And on to the next one. It is 2. We're going to stick 2 into this formula, so it's going to be 8 times 2 minus 2. 8 times 2 is 16, minus 2 would be 14. So the point is 2, 14. There we go. And then on to the next one, 3. We're going to substitute 3 in for m. So we're getting 8 times 3 minus 2. 8 times 3 is 24, minus 2 would be 22, with a lovely point of 3, 22. And then lastly, there's 4. Let's go ahead and substitute that in and see what we get. Okay, 4 goes in for m. So 8 times 4 minus 2. 8 times 4 is 32. Minus 2 would be 30. So we have the point 430. And remember, for your homework, all you're going to have to do is fill out this lovely table like this and this lovely table like this. But for those who are looking for a challenge, you want to get out some graph paper and try to graph this. I don't want to hold you back. So let's go ahead and graph this. We are going to graph n equals 8m minus 2. Now this is the y-intercept. If you can't do it, that is okay, and you don't have to do it at all. But for those who want the extra little challenge and little thrill, the mathematical thrill, first we're going to change this number that's touching the m into the slope. So it's going to be 8 over 1, and this is called the slope. And you're going to be graphing lines like this very, very soon. So, now since we're going to have to graph the point 430, I think that we're going to have to change your scale because I don't think I have 30 of these. I think we're probably going to have to count by 2s again. So this is going to be 2. This is going to be 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 20. And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 30. Yep. And that will work. All right. And this is, yes. Okay, here we go. Let's graph it. So what this says is it says that the y-intercept is -2. That would be right here. Since we're going down by 2s, this is -2. And then we're going to do the slope, which is 8 over 1, which means we're going to go up 8. It's the change. This is the change in the vertical over the change in the horizontal. So we're going to go up 8, counting by 2s. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and over 1, it's just half the distance because this is 2, so that means half of it is 1. And then from here, we're going to go up 8 and then over 1 again. So 2, 4, 6, 8 over 1 here. And then from here, what this was, let me just check. 2, 4, 6, 8 over 1. 2, 4, 6, 8 over 1. Okay, then we're going to go from here. Up 8 over 1. 2, 4, 6, 8 over 1 again. And then again, 2, 4, 6, 8 over 1. And can we get one more time? 2, 4, 6. No, we can't. So that's going to be our line right there. I'm going to pull out my handy dandy ruler and make a beautifully straight line. Right, like, line them all up. Go over it a couple times, get a nice line. Beautiful. All right. Now we're going to graph these solutions and see if they're actually solutions to our lovely line. Okay, the first one is 1, 6. So we're going to go over here to 1 and then go up 2, 4, 6. And yes, it is there. That is 1, 6. So it is a solution. The next one is 2, 14. So we're going to go 2, 2 here, and then up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And there you go, right there. 214 is also a point on the graph, which means it is a solution. And we are creating a table of solutions. So we are doing a good job. Okay, the next one is 322. Okay, so that's 2. Halfway between 2 and 4 would be right here. That's 3. And we're going to have to count up to 22. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. And there it is right there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. There's 322. And the last one, the grand finale, is the 430. So here we go. Count by 2s, 2, 4, and then 30. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30. There it is. These are all lovely solutions on our wonderful, magnificent line. All right, if you got that all right, yokinenki mashita, you did a wonderfully magnificent job.